Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of May 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.02. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.03%. This equates to an average return of 0.02% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the upper end of a broad and horizontal trend. Typically, this might present a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the top trend line at $546.53 could signal a strong buying opportunity and indicate a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of 1.27% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -16.52% to +0.667%. In terms of a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 5.61%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -9.27% and +12.6% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within a range from $486.34 to $603.58. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 0.317% on Thursday. The VOO ETF price gained 0.317% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. The price rose from $535.85 to $536.02. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.9%, with a day low at $534.44 and a day high of $539.23. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.23% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 2,000 shares. With a total of 6 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.1 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands 4.94%, or $27.88, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Today, VOO is highlighted in multiple significant market updates. A new report illustrates that a $10,000 investment in VOO 15 years ago would have produced substantial cash from dividends, underscoring VOO's reputation as a reliable, long-term investment tied to the S&P 500, a critical index for gauging U.S. economic health. However, the current market sentiment is cautious, with VOO experiencing a recent downturn amid rising Treasury yields and concerns over a proposed budget bill that could inflate the national deficit, leading to a broader market sell-off. Today's trading opened with the S&P 500 down approximately 0.4%, reflecting these pressures. Forecasts suggest that major U.S. indices, including the S&P 500, may experience further challenges as the market appears to correct after a significant upward run. While Morgan Stanley maintains a positive outlook for future gains, it emphasizes the need for investor patience during this market softening phase. In the short term, these factors may lead to volatility and a potential dip in VOO's stock price. However, For long-term investors, the historical performance and dividend potential of VOO remain appealing, suggesting that it could offer resilience as economic conditions evolve. Investors are advised to consider these dynamics as they navigate their investment strategies in VOO amidst a shifting market landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently indicates a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal for the ETF, providing a positive outlook. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $541.81. In the event of a decline, support can be expected from the long-term average at around $507.96. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also been recognized, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, May 19, 2025, and thus far it has decreased by 1.98%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $499.10 and $465.52. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may then decline to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $499.10. Should this be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $465.52 and $463.56. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $4.78 between its high and low, representing a change of 0.90%. In the last week, the fund has shown an average daily volatility of 1.17%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $539.40. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO meets its first support level at $499.10. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been set. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe its performance will remain weak in the near future. Therefore, we maintain a cautious outlook on this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by approximately 54 cents, starting at $536.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.